Hey everyone, my name is Harun. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 tips that's going to take your hair from like a level 6 to maybe like a solid 10, I'd say. Not guaranteed, but promise it will help. Also, these are going to be tips and tricks where some of them are going to be like, what did I just put that on my hair? Even though when I was reading this in the blog and the article, I was a little iffy about some of these, I'm not gonna lie, but some I was like, yo, I should have thought of this. These are cool, you know, this will actually help me with my daily hair routine. Alright, so number 1 is gonna be one of the clever ones, right? It's gonna be the ones where I was like, I should have thought of this. It's kind of cool to know because it does come in handy a lot, especially in my own case. And it is to make little mini emergency hair product kits out of your chapstick containers. Now this tip will come in handy in moments like, let's say you go to the gym, right? I just went to the gym, got my workout in, I took my shower, I come back to my bag and I don't have hair product. You know, I don't have anything to fix up my hair is a mess, it's frizzy, it doesn't look good, and I'm obviously, you know, bad hair day is a bad day in general. So it's good to have these, not just in your gym bag. You know, I've had scenarios like these in my work office and any other remote location that I spend a lot of my time in. So whether it's your office at work, whether it's your backpack at school, whether it's your gym bag, if you ever find yourself in a scenario like this guy's gonna be your best friend.
Alright, so this first one is not too complicated. All we're doing here is taking whatever hair product it is that you use the most and fit as much as you can into the mini container. And yes, although the amount might seem very small and you would think it will only last you a few uses, but believe me, one of these actually lasts me a few months. I use these for emergency purposes only because I typically go to the gym in the evening, so I don't usually end up styling my hair after I take my shower, after my workout. So depending on how often you use yours, how long it lasts might differ for everyone.
Now this one's gonna be one of the weird ones. It's apple cider vinegar. So this magical liquid that I'm sure all of your mothers, including mine as well, swear that it cures cancer. Yep, this one is gonna be used to treat your dandruff.
Alright, are we all ready to do some chemistry with some apple cider vinegar? Cool, put on your goggles. Just kidding, don't put on your goggles. Apple cider vinegar is all natural. And you can actually, believe it or not, you can actually drink the stuff, the mix we're about to make. Let's go ahead and show you how to mix. So this is super easy. It's half a bottle, 50% water, and make sure that it's bottled natural spring water. You just mix it, and half an hour before you get into the shower, you spray it into the scalp. Leave it on and then wash it off. Again, with this one, remember we only do it twice a week to not cause dryness of the hair.
Alright, let's say that you went a little bit excessive on the apple cider vinegar and your hair is a little dry now. Tip number 3 is going to be just for that. It's going to be Argan Oil. I bought mine from Amazon. I'm going to have a link to actually not just this, but all of my products that I've used in the video today. There's going to be a link down in the description below. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to make it a lot easier for you guys to be able to find everything that I'm talking about today.
The Argan Oil is pretty simple. As I mentioned, I love using oil as pre-stylers because not only are they good and nutritious for the hair, but they also act as a heat protectant for when you blow dry. So simply just what you do with this is just spray on your hands and style it through the hair. So make sure that you are pretty conservative with the amount used. You don't want your hair to be too oily later on in the day, and you also don't want it to feel heavy and sit. So remember with this one, a small amount goes a long way.
Alright, so number 4 is gonna be a major tip.
So yeah, doesn't it suck that all our lives, literally all of your lives, your shampoo bottles have been lying to you, right? The magical 3 words, lather, rinse, repeat, is actually not good for you. That one was pretty sad for me to hear too. So yeah, there's no need to repeat, just make sure that the first wash is pretty thorough. It's actually recommended to shampoo your hair once or twice a week, as sebum, which is the oil produced by the hair follicle, is very nutritious to the hair. So again, go easy on how many times you shampoo. Make sure the shampoo that you use is sulfate free.
Alright, and finally for tip number 5, let's say that you don't have a lot of time to shampoo your hair, right? So you're busy, you're just a busy individual, your gym does not have a shower, whatever your case scenario is, that you don't get a lot of time to wash or shampoo your hair. For men, we don't really have a lot of options for dry shampoo, right? And I'm sure some of you guys are probably even like, what the heck even is dry shampoo, right? Yeah, I was pretty confused too when I heard about dry shampoo. The first time I saw somebody use a spray for shampoo, I was like, how does that even work, right? So I was extremely confused, and what it really actually does is that, you know, throughout the day when your hair gets oily, when it gets a little bit dirty, it starts to sit down, right? So your hair gets heavy, it sits down. So for number 5, I actually stole this product from my little baby nephew. And
FYI, my baby nephew actually does hate me for stealing his baby powder, but it's okay. He will forget about it in a few minutes, so you're good. We are good. Alright, for this one, it's super simple. The mistake you don't want to make is to dump the powder on your hair and end up with clumps of white baby powder on your head. That is not what we want. What we do want is to pour some in your hands, like this, rub it together, and then style it to the hair. And make sure that when you do style it to the hair that you leave off any white spots or any powders that are left on the hair. So make sure you're pretty thorough with that. And that's it, as simple as that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and please make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. And also don't forget to go onto my Instagram and follow me there as well. So yeah, go ahead and check that out and show some love. Alright, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.